When I was unsaved, I was justly, right, branded as a racist. And when I got saved, I was unjustly branded as a racist. Quite unique to this country that sometimes that just because of your skin color, you are branded as a racist. And so I don't care anymore what you say. I know who I am, what I am. I know that God saved me, that He changed me, that I love all people, all colors, all cultures, all ethnicities. I love them all. So I'm speaking of a general notion that in South Africa, if you are white, you hate black people. And if you are black, you hate white people. There's this notion that people think everybody's like that. And I can almost guarantee you that if you would do a proper study, a census, and asking people, do you hate black people? Do you hate white people? Do you hate colored people? Do you colored people hate black people? Whatever it is, you'll find that the majority of this country does not hate you because of the color of your skin. So who causes this idea that everybody hates one another just because you are in a different culture or race? Satan. People, Satan is behind what we see today. Nobody else.